What's up, amigos? Welcome to the Ink Builder. Today it's gonna be a quick video of me showing you guys what I did for day 2 on working on my do-it-yourself exposure unit. So you can tell I'm persuaded right now, and that's because I just came back from a local welder. He ended up welding some missing pieces that I needed for my table, and this is actually day 2 working on this table. The first day was just me brushing off the excessive rust on it. And normally I was gonna upload this video right now. I was gonna wait to actually complete the entire table to upload, the actual video of me. Building this entire table. But I decided to squeeze this in here just so I won't go that long without uploading anything. And those people who are on my Patreon, you were actually able to see every single step along the way. But for today, just me getting that weld, and I'm gonna take you guys to earlier today, then we'll come back. Welcome to day 2. Now for today, what I'm actually gonna be doing is I'm gonna take my table to a welder so we can complete this. So this could go from here to here, because right here that way I could place at least either a piece of plywood or a piece of metal, so I can have my LED lights as well. I'm gonna have them smooth this out because I ain't gonna be placing glass in here. Okay, now unfortunately the welder, he's nearby. He's like around like a 20-30 minute walk, so I'm gonna have to carry this all the way over there because I don't have anywhere to put this on to take it over there. So I'm gonna be carrying it, and going up there is gonna be the easy part, but coming back is gonna be harder since we are on a mountain top. Going over there is going to be a downhill, but coming back is going to be uphill. Like I mentioned earlier, taking this back home is going to be the hardest part since we are going uphill. Luckily I'm getting help this time, but still it feels like a lot of heavy work, but we're almost there. So this time we decided to take another path back to the house. There's the house. Finally getting there. Break. Break. So the welder is finally done. You can tell this way he will end the welding. These, and these. So yeah, so that was my day, my morning of me getting that thing welded. It was an extreme workout, especially coming back. I can tell it was an uphill, so got real sweaty. But luckily, finally had that finished. And the guy only charged me 80 pesos, which is like around like what, $4. Pretty cheap. I thought it was gonna be a little bit more, but still a good price. So now the next step is I'm gonna sand it down and I'm gonna paint it because I can tell there's a lot of rust. Then later on, I'm gonna buy the glass top. Then I'm gonna try to find a way to cover it up. Now I was gonna buy the metal sheets to cover it up this week, but unfortunately I wasn't able to do that. I had to take my kid to the dentist, you know, cavities. That's why he's kind of with me right now because he doesn't want to go. But yeah, but that's pretty much all for today's video. Again, just a quick video, and I just can't wait to actually have this table finished. Oh yeah, so that's all. If you have any questions, feel free to drop in the comments below. Don't forget to follow me on social media, you know, Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe. And let me tell you, amigos, I'll see you guys next time.